Hey kids, Professor Marbles here, and today
we're gonna demonstrate motion
with a straw and some string.
Science.
To the lab.
This way.
Science! Woo! Dance. Oh, yeah! All right, well, now we've got our experiment set up. We've got our line of string. We've got our straw on it. We just got some tape and a balloon. We're gonna establish what's called a baseline.
All right, you ready? So that's how far.
So it's like here.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, cool. So
now if we attach a balloon and let the air out of the balloon
a certain way,
it should go a little farther.
So we tied this balloon up.
Yeah. What if you get the scissors and just cut the back?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Nothing. There we go. There we go.
Okay, well, I think it would have kept going, but it got stuck here. It stopped. So
another balloon?
Yeah. This time we'll do it again.
What color do you want?
Something primary, and then I'll leave that there. I'm gonna go retape the northern. More tape. Just when you think that not enough tape is enough.
Hey, someone's here.
Here, no one's here. No one's here. No, thank you.
What just happened?
So, wow, that's a balloon if I've ever seen one. If you want to hold that, and then the last one went about here.
I confer.
And I can definitely say this balloon is bigger than the last one, and the sudden and more consistent like release in, air, I think we're gonna touch the wall.
Okay. Give me a countdown, I'll let it go.
100.
Surprise attack.
I think the line was not taut enough and it bounced a lot.
Yes, but I also noticed this too was like holding the balloon open.
Oh.
And as it was like wanting to like shrink, so I think we have too much tape. So I think we could do a smaller piece of tape.
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but
Or if anything, I think we could just do something like this. Here, hold that.
oh yeah, no, for sure.
We could just do something like that. How about that? How about that?
Not this again.
Yes, this again.
Why are you locking your knees?
Why are you out of breath? All right, so you want another countdown?
Yeah.
All right, cool. 1,999, 998.
Am I going on 1 or when you say go?
3, 2. Wow. Okay. Well. Okay. So a couple other things happened. I think it did touch the wall.
It did touch the wall.
But it bounced back. I think that was just
the energy that the wall transferred
it came
back out.
Yeah. But then it was like still attached to this, and this one. But it didn't like the last one. Spiral. Yeah, I guess spiral. It didn't bounce. It didn't not as much as the other one.
Yeah.
And I think that had to do with less tape. What else do we want to try? Anything else? Or is that kind of it?
2 balloons.
Two balloons. Balloon.
We'll try 1 on top, 1 on the bottom.
Indeed.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, so here, I'll hold, yeah, you got that? You're gonna put it in just like that?
Ready?
All right, and I'm gonna say go whenever. All right, so it went to the wall and still had legs and kept going. That was pretty cool. I think maybe we will revisit this at another time and go even farther.
And faster.
Yeah, also similarly. Yeah, that's it for this experiment. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe this.
Yeah.
Don't forget to look for the science around you, and we'll see you in the next experiment.
Oh, hey!
Oh, really?
Yeah, right here.
Where?
Right here in the corner. You can't see it.
Oh, hey.
Hey, come on.
Hey. I can't be mad at you for something that you did probably hours ago.